In this tutorial, we will learn how to create this gold texture effect in Photoshop. Choose a random picture. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to 30 pixels and press OK. Again go to Filter and choose Liquify. Randomly spread the pixels around to create an abstract effect. Go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. Choose Glass from the Distort category. Set the distortion to 15 and the smoothness to 2. Again go to Filter and choose Sharpen. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient Map. Change the gradient colors to these colors. You can change the position of these colors accordingly. Now hide these two layers. Choose the Type tool and write your text. Turn on these two layers. Hold Shift and select both layers. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. You can adjust the position of the texture. Add a dark background and that's it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button to support my channel.